10 years I've been devoted to working with Native American communities, using soccer as a vehicle to talk holistic wellness. And when I coach, that's what I hope to cultivate, is not only that we're winning games and tournaments and those types of things, but we're developing healthy relationships, and the players that I coach feel like it's a positive experience.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews and Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa JB, talk. Torigun.
Today we are making tomato and bean quesadillas. For this recipe you will need 4 whole wheat tortillas, 3/4 of a cup of refried beans, low sodium, half a cup of diced tomatoes, no added salt, half a cup of shredded low-fat cheese. In a medium bowl, mix beans, tomatoes, and cheese together. Preheat a skillet on medium heat. For more flavor, add taco seasoning to the bean mixture. Spread 1/3 of a cup of the mixture on one side of each tortilla and fold over. Place in skillet. Change it up. For more vegetables, add bell pepper and onion. For added protein, add canned chicken or cooked ground beef or venison to the bean mixture. Cook over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until tortilla is golden brown, cheese is melted, and beans are heated through. Tomatoes are a traditional food. Though originally from Peru, tomatoes may have been first cultivated by the indigenous peoples of Mexico. The Otoe word for tomato is Otoe-Missouria. Tomatoes are very versatile. They can be eaten raw, canned, dried, frozen, cooked, or made into juice. They are rich in vitamin C and vitamin A. Tomatoes are associated with a lower risk of heart disease and certain cancers because they contain the phytonutrient lycopene. Cut quesadillas in half or in quarters. This recipe makes 4 servings. 1 serving is 1 quesadilla. Serve with salsa or guacamole. Enjoy!